This is the perfect savory cake. It is impossible to eat just one piece. So start by adding 3 eggs, half a cup of oil, add some salt, and then we're just going to beat the eggs and mix these ingredients well. Once you've finished with that, it is time for the flour. So just sift 2 cups of wheat flour. This recipe is super simple and really easy. Next, you're going to add half a cup of cornstarch and then just sift again. Now we'll add half a cup of milk. Add the milk little by little and just keep stirring. The dough is going to become super light and super fluffy. And when it's finished, you're going to add the rest of your milk. Now just stir very gently. And after mixing that, it is time for the ham. So you'll need 200 grams of ham total. Add only half right now. And same with the cheese. You're going to need 200 grams of cheese in total. Add only half. Now add half a chopped tomato and parsley and spring onions, 1 tablespoon of yeast, and then just mix everything together again. This cake is super tasty. It's not only beautiful, but it's also really colorful, so it just looks lovely on your table. I make this recipe at home and everyone loves it, including the kids. Now we're just going to pour the cake into a buttered and floured pan. And you can just remove all the contents with a spatula. And now we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. So you're going to add the rest of your ham and finish with the rest of your cheese. Now add half a chopped tomato and season with parsley. And now we are going to bake in our oven at 320 degrees for 45 minutes. Shall we see the result of our cake? Wow, look at what a beautiful cake. And it smells so good. This recipe is sensational. It's a perfect recipe for the whole family or a special occasion. So go ahead and serve it up and call the family. Enjoy.